You've made an awesome decision signing up. This app is designed to help you level up your life, both personally and professionally. Let me walk you through the main features so you can dive in and get the most out of the app. When you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your main hub. At the top, you'll see priority tasks. These are your first steps to getting the most out of Picoast. Everyone starts with self-discovery and goal setting. Once you complete those, your priority tasks will update with whatever's next for you. Why start with these two? Because self-discovery helps you figure out who you are, your strengths, preferences, and areas to grow. And when you combine that with clear, actionable goals, you set yourself up for success. You always have quick access to your daily habits from the priority tasks as well. More on all these tools later. The next section in your dashboard is your latest hacks. They include quick, practical tips to help you out every day. They also include a weekly real-world task to build life skills. These take 5 to 30 minutes max and show up every Sunday. Hit the thumbs up on Saturday if you completed the task to earn points. Next is the article of the week, which is a deep dive into topics like budgeting, job interviews, or skincare, available until the next Sunday. Your learning path comes next. This is where you work on the life skills curriculum, also accessible through the Learn icon at the bottom of the screen. The financial literacy pathway is available right now, and new pathways are released every few months. The lessons include real-life tasks to complete, as well as quick quizzes to test your knowledge. Now, let's talk about LifeGuru, your personal advice assistant, always available at the bottom of the screen. LifeGuru gives you quick, personalized answers to any questions related to life skills and adulting, from cooking help to career stress or friends drama. It's not here for long chats, it's here to get you unstuck fast. The tools section is next. This is where you can access your budget, goals, self-discovery, and habits anytime, even when they are not highlighted in the priority task section. First, let's talk budgeting, a basic but super important adulting skill. The app makes it easy. Add your income, list your needs, like bills, groceries, etc. Set financial goals, like saving for emergencies. Allocate money for wants, fun stuff. And voila! Each week, give a thumbs up or down on how well you stuck to your plan. That's it, no complicated tracking. If you're struggling, Budget Guru is here to give you personalized advice. Next is goals. This is where you decide what you want to achieve. Set goals, big or small, and break them into manageable milestones. If you're not sure where to start, LifeGuru can give you suggestions. Once a month, you'll be prompted to update the status of your goals and adjust them if needed. Habits is next. Building routines that you follow without thinking is a super important factor in meeting your goals, managing your time, and succeeding. In this tool, you choose habits from a preset list, or you add your own. Daily, weekly, monthly habits, and beyond. Check them off as you go to see your progress. We don't expect perfection, but aim for 75% to earn points. Last but certainly not least is self-discovery. This tool helps you figure out what makes you tick. You'll take quizzes to discover your strengths, weaknesses, and preferences. Once you've taken a couple, the app creates a personalized report with insights and advice tailored to you. Keep taking tests, and the report will update every week on Wednesdays. One more thing, are you the competitive or analytical type? Then check out the stats section. Here, you can see how you stack up. Points are based on how well you stick to your budget, meet your goals, complete weekly challenges, and more. We don't care who makes the most or who has the most ambitious goals. We just care who is doing the best job being the best version of themselves. And that's Picoast in a nutshell. Learn about yourself, set and achieve your goals, and stay on track with tools, advice, and challenges. All in one app. Final tip, remember to check out the info and learn more buttons. Click and you will learn everything you need to know about the section of the app, from how to write a SMART goal, to what qualifies as a financial need, or how stats are calculated. We're excited to see what you accomplish. Invite your friends, it's more fun with them, share your progress, and start exploring. Start with 2 self-discovery tests and set your first goals today.